Today I will show you how to get a smooth transition when you hover a button or any other element you choose. So let's give it an example. When I hover this button, I have a smooth transition to the different color. You see how smooth it is, but when I hover this button, it's not smooth. You see how quick it is, it's not smooth at all. So we want to give this button a smooth transition like this one. So to do that, we go to Webflow, we click the button we want to change or any other element that has a hover styling. We click on the button, we go to these style settings, and we go to the effects, we go to transition, click type, go to all properties, click it, and we put any milliseconds we want. The best one for me is 300. We save it, publish it, and now when I refresh the website, I should get a smooth transition on this button. You see how smooth it is now. That's it.